Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Taya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my straight hair. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So honestly, a lot of you guys have been asking for like a maintenance of my silk press or straight hair. So yeah, what I'm going to do is show y'all what I do every night to maintain my hair, and then if I think of any other tips, then I will check back in with you guys and let you know. Right now I'm on day 3 of straight hair, and right now I'm just gonna wrap it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap it. You're gonna take a Denman brush. Honestly, wrapping my hair is not my favorite thing in the world, but you have to do it. And you know, so if you have a side part and it's like going from here and you're like most of your hair is over here, you want to brush your hair to this direction and then vice versa. Mine's in the middle, so I'm just gonna go either way I want. I'm gonna go this way today, and you just start brushing. Make sure your hair is detangled first before you do this. But yeah, so we're just gonna brush in a circular motion. And just keep brushing. Y'all, this is like, there's no easy way to do this, but you just flip it on top of your hair. Replace that hand with this hand while you get your scarf. Whew. It's hot. Alright, so I'm actually in the process of having multiple mental breakdowns. Had to change because it was too hot. I'm actually going to use this. It's like just a big rectangle. There's hair out, but that's okay because we're going to fix it. So I'm just going to lay the scarf in the back where it's covering the base. I'm gonna pull it like this and tuck my hair over here. Whatever's loose, gotta make sure it's tucked as much as you can get it without messing it up. You tie it. I'm gonna tie it in the front because it can't reach the back just once. Now that it's tied, I'm gonna twist it. And what this is gonna do is help all the hair that was falling like smooth out. Make sure everything is as smooth as possible. I'm gonna take a do-rag. This one's like a velvet one. I got it from the beauty supply. And put that on top. Secure it tight in the back like that. Bring it to the front. Put it in the back and tie it down. And once you guys are here, if you want to go ahead and keep twisting, just to make sure you have everything smooth as possible, you just twist it until the knot gets to the back. And then you can go like this and just fix up anything that's sticking out. You can keep it just like that and put your bonnet on, but I'm going to take this edge scarf, put it around the perimeter, just to make sure my scarf doesn't fall off when I'm sleeping. And then you just take your bonnet, I got this one from the beauty supply, and put that on top. And that's all that you need to do. Just sleep on this. Usually I take showers in the morning, so what I would do is get up, wash my face, get in the shower, keep my hair wrapped, but also put a shower cap. I will demonstrate. Take the shower cap, you just tuck the bonnet in like this, and you get in the shower, take a shower, get out, make sure everything on your body's dry. Make sure you are in like a cooler environment. Don't stay in the bathroom when like it's humid and stuff. Wait until you're somewhere really dry to take your hair down and then brush it out. But yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like in the morning. But for now, I'm gonna wash my face and go to bed, and then I'll check in with you guys in the morning. So it's the next day. So what I'm about to do, the lighting's terrible, sorry I don't have my big light, but I'm about to take my hair down. So I already took a shower, did everything, got ready, did my makeup, and I kept my hair wrapped. It's actually like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I just have my hair wrapped all day, so just take the bonnet off. I just like go like this, honestly, and then just, you know, play with it. And then you can take your brush and brush forward. Then I'm just gonna fix my part. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys tonight to let you guys know what I'm doing. I'm probably just gonna wrap my hair again. It's still feeling pretty silky. It actually looks really good. Bye! It's very late and I'm very sleepy, but I'm still gonna wrap my hair. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. So, okay, little side note, this is not the same shirt from yesterday. It's actually a dress. Not that it really matters that much, but just, you know, people on the internet. But anyways, so 5 days, my hair is looking pretty good still. It's actually not greasy at all on the bottom, but my roots are definitely greasy. I don't know if y'all can tell, but right there, you can see it. Right there, I have a little bit of, what is this? I don't even know. The hair is going like that. So I'm gonna show y'all how I fix it. I'm gonna be using this blow dry my sister got me for Christmas. It's a Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Mini Dry. It's like a travel one. I had to unplug my light because I only have one outlet that works. I'm about to just show y'all what I do. So I'm gonna put it on warm. Yeah, you don't have to put it on hot. Also, you can put heat protectant before you do this just to protect your hair. I'm not going to, because I don't want to add any more product to my hair right now because I'm trying to just make it last as much as possible. All right, so you take your brush after that and then you brush under and kind of act like you're flat ironing it and bump your ends. It's like putting it in the right position. And that's it. This is day 5 of my hair being straight and it still looks really, really nice, which is expected. As long as you guys just keep wrapping your hair every night, you should be fine. Anyways, so I'll see y'all tonight. Bye. All right, guys, please excuse my appearance. Super late right now and I'm about to go to bed, so wanted to update y'all on what I'm gonna do with my hair. So I got my hair done like 2 days before Christmas. I don't know how long I've had my hair straight, but maybe almost 2 weeks. I don't even remember, but I didn't update you guys like on what I've been doing because all I've been doing is wrapping my hair the same exact way that I showed y'all. So obviously pretty repetitive. I did straighten it or like touch it up a couple of times, but I haven't put anything in it. I haven't put any product, nothing. It's just been wrapping my hair at night. But I am tired of the straight hair, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do at this point to kind of switch it up without using heat. So basically just make sure your hair is detangled. Now I'm gonna braid my hair. I'm gonna put 4 braids, so they don't have to be perfect. I'm literally just gonna grab a section and braid it. And I'm not gonna be doing like a French braid or anything. A regular plait will do. Sometimes this isn't completely successful, but sometimes it is, so we'll see. So I'm gonna take a rubber band and secure it on the end. That's what it looks like. And that's all you do. I'm gonna do 3 more and then I'll show y'all what I do after that. The next thing that I do is take bobby pins. So for the front 2, I pin them back just like that. It's honestly like you're wrapping your hair. You want it to be like circular on against your head so that it doesn't crease or anything in your sleeve. So I'm just gonna pin this back here. Same for the bottom. So I'm gonna pin this one this way and this one this way. All right, I'm trying to hurry before my camera dies, but I just take my scarf like I've been doing and put it on my head. Put my scarf on and that's it. And then I put my bonnet over that and go to sleep. All right, good morning. So okay, not sure how I feel about this at all. So it's kind of poofy looking now to me. Like the ends really didn't, I mean not curl, like wave up as much as like this area. I don't know why, but on the back, I haven't looked at the back yet, but what I'm gonna try to do probably tonight is do 2 French braids and see if that makes a difference. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys later on tonight. So I didn't talk on this part, but all I did was spray my hair with hairspray and then do 2 French braids. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just, you know, get your hair braided, and then I secured it with a rubber band at the end. Then I made sure that the braids were flat against my head and put a scarf on and went to bed. So as you guys know, last night I braided my hair into 2 French braids. So I'm gonna take them down. Hopefully they came out right. I won't be doing anything else to maintain my hair. It has been 2 weeks, so give me a second. I'm gonna like lay my edges, fix my part, and yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna brush it out a little. I think it looks better than it did yesterday, so let me know what y'all think. So this is another way you guys can maintain your hair at night. If you want to switch it up, you don't want it to be straight anymore, you can play around with it, braid it. I did want to talk a little bit about, I guess, like other factors during this silk press, things I haven't showed y'all on camera. So I did straighten my hair a couple, like literally 2 more times after getting it done. I didn't do like a full straighten, I just did pretty much like the top layer or any pieces that got frizzy, because it did get frizzy. And there were nights where I forgot to wrap my hair, so got messed up. But as far as products, I haven't used any product besides hairspray just now on my edges. So if you guys can avoid using any product, please do. It was humid. I live in Houston. If you guys live in a place that has a lot of humidity, then I recommend anytime you go outside, use a shower cap. I used to do this in high school, and like getting on the bus in the morning, I used to wear a shower cap until I got inside the school building. I didn't care. People could say what they want, but you know you can't really win with people. So who cares? Wear your shower cap if you ever are gonna be outside. If it's raining, if it's humid where you are, as soon as you get in the car, blast the AC. Make sure you do the air circulation in the car only. What else? I'll link my video right here. I have straight hairstyles that you guys can do once your hair gets old. As far as maintenance, I really don't have any other tips. Just remember that wrapping your hair is really important. If you can avoid it, don't put any oil. Anyway, so that is the end of my silk press maintenance video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something new. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!